Hey guys, here's step 3 on how to solve the Rubik Cube. We left off with the white layer finished. Now, we want to take the white layer, which is on the top face, and turn the cube so it goes on the bottom face. In order to solve the middle layer without messing up the white layer. Okay, so we want to form a T like this. And this is a orange-green edge piece. We want to put that here. In order to solve the middle layer, we want to get all of those edge pieces in the right position. So we want to do this algorithm, which is UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI, and you see the white matches up, and FI. Now, we've put that edge piece, the green-orange edge piece, and put it in the right position while not messing up the white layer. Now, to do it again, we have to put the green-red piece in the right position, which is here. So we do that same movement. UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI. See, the white matches up. Whoops. F, I. FI and UI, they just mean like up inverted, which is up counterclockwise once, or FI, F, the front face counterclockwise once. The I means inverted, which is backwards, and F and U, they just mean clockwise once. Okay, now we need to find another one to put in the right position. Oh, here's the blue, red, and here's the red and the blue. I'm going to match it up, put it so that vertical T happens, the upside down. See, it looks like a T if you turn it back with the white on top. Turn the white back onto the bottom. Okay, now, we're doing a mirror image of what we did with the left side. We're doing U, R, UI, RI, UI, FI, U, F. Now you see the white is not messed up, and put it in the right position. Now we need to find another one. Here is the blue orange piece, the last piece we need to put in the right position. So we do the left movement. UI, LI, U, L, UI, FI. I mean U, F, and then UI, FI. And there you go. You have solved the middle layer. Watch step 4 to see how to solve the top layer.